Hi, this is William, and today I'm going to give you an update on Google PPC. So the big news straight off the bat is Google Shopping, previously a free service, has turned into a paid business model. Previously, product listings appeared in shopping results for free. Users uploaded a product feed via Google Merchant Center. In the USA, Google Shopping is no longer free and has become an integral part of Google AdWords. The process of using a product feed through Merchant Center to populate the ad is still the same. The only difference is these ads are now going to be served through Google AdWords. And so then product listing ads, or PLAs. Most people who set up websites have either products or services and usually list them in what is called a PLA format. For example, tennis shoes, where there might be a list of ads for different brands of tennis shoes. With PLAs replacing Google Shopping being such a valuable part of paid search campaigns, it's now crucial to understand Merchant Center and to be able to troubleshoot any potential problems. As another example, if an ad is uploaded with errors, Google will probably disapprove that feed and the ad won't run. Product feeds can be done to common errors, such as broken image URLs, feed processing errors, and so forth. In the Google Merchant Center, however, it's important to understand how Merchant Center works. The feed that is uploaded for these ad campaigns is an increasingly important part of the campaign. It is suggested updating the feed daily. Use high-quality image. Ensure the images meet Google's specifications and are at least a minimum recommended size. Also make sure descriptions and titles are optimized and check that any robots.txt being used is not blocking any important files. Adhere to the editorial guidelines and apply the Google rules to make sure nothing gets disapproved. And then test your PPC campaigns. When setting up a PPC account and testing keywords, rather than look at the clicks, focus on conversions, the impact on the business. We encourage people who are considering PPC to make sure that you have a way of measuring whether or not it's adding value, and that the return that you're getting, or the cost of those sales, makes financial sense for your business. Using Google Analytics to judge your traffic and check results of each campaign using split testing. Watch the prices for clicks. The cost of customer acquisition is on the increase within paid search, and this is partly due to growing competition for keyword bids. We've seen keyword bids of up to $105 for a single click in the gaming and poker sector. In the legal industry, this amount can increase to over $150 a click. Even in sectors like insurance and debt management, keyword bids are routinely reaching amounts of $10 to $12 a click to get the top ad spot. And then dynamic search ads. Dynamic search ads are a new AdWords feature by which Google scrapes a website to give potential matches with keywords not already being used in a paid search campaign. Dynamic search ad fills the gap in keyword coverage. It means it can be useful for websites with lots of products or for products that change regularly. And then setting up dynamic ads is similar to PLAs in that it works with separate ad groups. You can segment by content or your website and by category. Good news is that Google can automate this for you. It's recommended that you add high-performing terms as keywords in your campaigns and add poorly performing terms as negatives. And regarding marketing, according to a recent study by Criteo, retargeted customers are 70 cents more likely to make a purchase, so remarketing has the potential to make a real impact on turning prospects into paying customers. The power of remarketing is its ability as an advertising platform to effectively follow people around and serve up personalized ads as they browse third-party websites offering relevant offers and discounts. And then setting up use Google Analytics. If you're doing any remarketing, it's wise to use Google Analytics, as it has a number of advantages. GA can offer more flexibility. Only one platform is needed to get the data, and only one code change is required across the site. Data can then be used for campaigns, then campaign goals. So what do you want to get out of your campaign? Do you want to drive brand awareness, get customers to purchase, or upsell to existing customers? Define your goals before you start implementing. And then some tips. Update your privacy policy to show the cookies you use. Set membership duration for 540 days. The default is 30 days. You need at least 100 people on the list before you start remarketing. And then entice visitors back to your site with offers in your adverts. Create separate campaigns for different audiences. Expect to see the low click-through rates, but a high conversion rate. Link ads to dedicate well-optimized landing pages. Continuously refine the website showing your ads, and update the frequency capping in AdWords. Usually 3 or 4 times a day is enough. No one wants to see your advert 100 times a day. Then consider creating mobile-specific ads. And in summary, take time to understand who you're communicating with through your PPC ad copy. Then give these 3 approaches a go for starters. Track your results and see which improves your click-through rate the most. And as with most things, it may take you a bit of practice at first. Once you've gotten firm grasp on the steps of writing exceptional PPC copy, you'll be able to quickly crank out quality ads that hit the mark. And that concludes the presentation on my update on Google PPC. And this is William. I'll see you the next time. In the meantime, take a look at my blog, wbweeksjr.com.